Hello, you beautiful 99ers. I hope we're having a wonderful day so far. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I am Sway to the 99, and I typically post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. I usually do Dollar Tree walkthroughs and hauls, 99-cent only store walkthroughs and hauls, and budget meals where I'm in the kitchen whipping up a very delicious, budget-friendly, healthy meal with using all ingredients that I found at the 99-cent only store and or Dollar Tree. So in today's video, I am whipping up very delicious and healthy oatmeal muffins, and I'm really excited because this week I've been eating a lot of bagels in the morning. Excuse me. I've been eating a lot of bagels in the morning, and I'm just kind of getting tired of it. So I wanted to switch things up, and I figured, you know what? I'm just gonna make my own oatmeal muffins. I'm like, what am I making? Oatmeal muffins, and I figured I'd bring you guys along and show you how I make them. So with that, let's get started. Alright guys, so here are the ingredients. I won't go into the exact measurements in the video. I will actually link or list everything down below. So we are going to be using, of course, some oats. I'm going to use oat milk. Some bananas. A quick shout out to my really good friend of mine, Paxi. She gifted this as part of my Christmas gift, and I absolutely love it. S is for Sway because she knows that she watches my cooking videos. So Paxi, I hope you're watching. Look, I'm using my mixing utensil. And also I do have some organic raisins, some blueberries, a lemon for some zest. Ignore the label right there. The cinnamon, and so on, just the essentials. And of course, we do need our non-stick muffin pan. So these are all the ingredients. So like I said, don't worry guys, I will be listing everything down below, all the measurements and what to mix and when to mix and all that fun stuff. So I hope you guys follow along. Definitely make sure you stick around, and I will continue to be posting very fun cooking videos throughout the year. And I know so many of you have already given me great ideas, so I'll be incorporating those ideas probably in the month of February. So one thing I forgot to mention is I'm going to be preheating the oven right now at 350 degrees. So let's see, start. So we're going to preheat it. So while the oven is warming up, I don't know what's going on over here. It's weird. Anyway, sorry. So while that's doing its thing, I'm going to be prepping everything else. So by the time the oven is ready, everything is ready to throw into the oven. So the first thing that we do need to do is to make our oat flour. So what we need to do is put it in the blender without making too much of a mess. Oh my God, I'm making a mess. There we go. All right, so you want to make sure that it's nice and look like that. That's perfect. That's exactly what you want. Then we're going to pour that in here. Without making too much of a mess, of course. There we go. All right, and what we're going to do next is we're going to throw in our bananas and our milk. There we go. That way we get everything nice and blended. Cover your ears. All right, I think it's safe to say this is ready. Yes, it is. And now for the fun part, mixing everything together. Just throw everything in. There we go. You literally just want to throw everything in like that. There we go. Oop. All right, some cinnamon. You guys know I love my vanilla extract. Not too much, basically just the taste. And a little bit of syrup to give it that nice consistency, that nice oatmeal flavor, or rather brings out the oatmeal flavor, at least in my opinion. There we go. So now we just want to start gently mixing everything together. You don't want to make a mess like I was doing before. There we go. And one thing I almost did forget to do was to include the lemon. So I'm going to roll it for a couple of seconds and get it nice, make sure everything, all the juice comes out. Look, RJ Olive's mom, I'm holding it correctly. She actually had told RJ Olives that I wasn't holding the knife correctly, so I hope I did it right. There we go. And this is going to help to give it that nice consistency and flavor. And you literally just want to pour it into the mixture. That's good. All right, and now to mix some more. And thank you again, Paxi. I love my mixer handle, spatula. I'm like, what is it called? I swear, you guys, I'm not as, I feel like as soon as I hit record, I blank out. I'm like, wait, what's this? What is this called? All right, I'm just gonna continue mixing it for a bit, and I'll bring you guys right back. All right, so what I want to do next is just lightly spray each cup so that way nothing sticks. Perfect. Now for the fun part. Getting the batter into the cups without making too much of a mess. Wish me luck. Ooh, oh, already made a mess. Baking is definitely not my forte, as you guys can see, but I really enjoy doing these types of videos for you guys, especially for all of you that do have little kids or grandkids. I hope you guys are watching this because this is definitely a family style type of video where you can all join in on the fun and make some delicious breakfast, healthy breakfast muffins. I can't wait to bring these to work and try them there and maybe even share one. I don't know, depending on my mood, depending on how hungry I am. And I absolutely love my spatula with the little S. And of course, you know, I am rocking my pineapple apron. Can't leave that behind because RJ Olives is always watching. She'll be calling me out, Sway, where is your apron? If you guys don't know, RJ Olives is actually a really good friend of mine, a great supporter of my content, and she had gifted me this pineapple apron for my birthday last October. So, of course, I wear it with pride because I absolutely love pineapples. I think I put too much of the cooking spray. It looks a little foamy. But there we go. Sorry, you guys, I hope I'm making you dizzy. But you guys can see there's a little bit left over, but I think this is good. I am going to just sprinkle on just a little bit of oats just on top to make it nice and fancy. So, and then I'll pop it into the oven. So I'll be right back. All right, time to put this bad boy in the oven at 350 degrees in the top rack. Oh, careful. In the top rack for about 20 minutes or 20 to 25 minutes. So I'll see how it goes and I'll check in a moment. Well, and one upside about baking is that while you wait for things to bake, you can clean up the kitchen. Oh my God, I made such a mess. But oh well, that's part of the experience. At least that's what I like to tell myself. that is part of the experience. So, all right, I'm gonna stop showing you my dirty kitchen and get cleaning. Ta-da! And you guys are wondering what am I gonna do with the leftover batter? I'm gonna make a pancake. Bonus video. Yeah, I figured, you know what? I just have a little bit of extra batter. I'm just gonna make it a little pancake. Why not? You know, gotta improvise. I would hate to throw things out, so I'm just gonna wing it and make a little pancake while the that bakes. So, all right, let's check out how this comes out. All right, guys, wish me luck trying to flip this thing over. It's huge. It literally is huge. It's like it's like almost basically the circumference of the entire pan. I am not sure how this is going to come out, so it may not make it into the video. Fair warning. Oh no, I think it burnt a little. All right, flip over. Oh, not bad. All right, I'm gonna lower the heat and just let it cook slowly. Oh, I think what it is too is it's actually the blueberries that melted as well. So it's not really burnt. I mean, it smells good, so I guess it can't be that bad. All right, let's take a peek and see how these are coming out. Wow, look at me. They're looking good. All right, I'm gonna close it. And for anyone wondering, my little pancake, I promise it's not burnt. Maybe it's a little crisp, but it's a lot of the blueberries were coming out. But it smells really good. So I'm actually excited to try it as part of my bonus cooking. I don't know why I'm just speaking like Oprah today, but anyway. All right, so I think I only have a few more minutes of it baking. So I should bring you guys back in a moment. While we're waiting for things to finish up, I just wanted to chit chat with you guys for a few seconds. Unfortunately, I don't have any crazy stories like I did last week where my pants ripped on my way to the 99 to get the ingredients for the budget meal. However, I wanted to actually share with you guys that I've been getting recognized a lot lately, and it's so crazy. On Saturday, actually, I got recognized by two people like literally minutes apart. One lady literally ran up to me, gave me a hug, and was like, "Are you Sway?" And we started chatting. Another person just came up to me and asked for a selfie. And then I assumed that she knew me from YouTube. So, and then was it yesterday? No, Monday. I'm like, I don't know what day it is anymore. On Monday, someone actually recognized me at Dollar Tree. So I'm like, wow, I'm just getting recognized left and right. So if you guys do see me out in the Bay Area, definitely say hi, because trust me, it makes my day. I'm not mean. I promise I won't bite. Unless you have a good snack, they might be like, give me some. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. So thank you so much for all of your support. And as a quick reminder, I'm actually announcing or formally putting out a video this week announcing the details of the Sway to the 99 scholarship. Yes, if you guys didn't know, I'm actually doing my own scholarship through the Richard Buring Foundation, aka Couponing for Causes charity, and also I will be announcing my one year anniversary giveaway probably on Friday. I want to just do a separate video on that aside from my walkthrough. So, all right, back to the cooking. All right, time to get these bad boys out of the oven. I'm so excited. Oh my God, the oven smells so good. Come on, you guys. Ooh, let me not burn my hand. Oh my God, technical difficulties. There we go. Nope. Oh my God, I swear this only happens to me. There we go. Put them out. Ooh, they smell delicious. Look at these beauties. Look at these bad boys. How beautiful are these muffins? Oh my God, I'm so excited. All right, I'm gonna let them cool for about 10 minutes and then we can do a quick taste test. All right, time to see if these bad boys are ready. Ooh, oh my God, they're still steamy. I think these are perfect. I love how the steam is just literally coming out. Just lift you guys with me, and here we go. And I'm gonna show you what this looks like in a moment. It's so cute. Sorry about that. My good friend Paxi also got me this, and you guys will see in a moment. it is just so freaking cute. Look at me being all domesticated and stuff. Ooh. Can't wait to try them. I don't know why I'm doing the Oprah thing today, but you guys can call me Oprah Sway. Oprah to the Swain. I don't even know what I'm saying right now. I'm just so excited to try these. But I'm gonna cover them. You let them continue to stay warm. I'm just gonna show you guys my little cover. If you guys haven't guessed it, yes, it's little doggies. My good friend Paxi got me this, also part of my Christmas gift. And how adorable is this? I love, one thing that other than pineapples that I really like are dogs. I swear every dog just loves me, including actually couponing for a cause. She actually has 2 doggies, Penny, who I swear she's like my spirit animal. She like absolutely loves me. Oh my God, I'm still looking at it. Look how cute this is. Oh, sorry, and Maddie as well. And then my friend Paxi also has a couple of dogs herself. Diargo, Lady, the other ones. Oh my God, she's literally got a ton of doggies. But anyway, look, Karina from Mommy and Kimberly's Adventures, doggies. I have my own doggies now. But yeah, all right, guys. So I think I'm gonna just let those cool off for a little bit, but they look so delicious. I swear to you guys, look at me being all Martha Stewart and stuff on you guys. All right, I'm gonna let them cool for a moment, and then we'll give them a taste test in a moment. All right, guys, time to give these bad boys, I don't know why I keep calling them bad boys, but these beautiful muffins a taste. So let me see what I think, and I hope you guys try this recipe. Well, actually, let me try it first, and I'll let you guys know if it's worth trying at home. Oh my God. Oh, it's so hot. Oh my God. They're really good. I'm just gonna enjoy it for a moment. Oh my God. It's hot in here because of the oven. And also the muffins are hot. And I'm wearing a sweater and an apron. But these came out really good. I love, you guys can see right there, the blueberry, right there. Look, it's still juicy. Oh my God. Making a mess again. I'm gonna stop. All right, so I hope you enjoyed today's cooking video. I am so excited that you guys tuned in. And like I mentioned before, I do have a couple of other videos coming up this week, so definitely stay tuned. Make sure if you're not subscribed, make sure you are subscribed, because I am going to be posting a lot more videos in the upcoming weeks as more things start to happen. So I just wanted to make sure you guys are tuned in, and make sure you have the bell notification on. And as a quick reminder, if you're not yet joined the 99 Shopaholics, you definitely want to make sure you join today if possible, because we are going to be rolling out some very exclusive content on the page, and also in partnership with Couponing for a Cause. So definitely make sure you are tuned into the 99 Shopaholics. I will link them down below, and I will also be linking down Couponing for a Cause's channel in the video description as well if you have not checked her out, which I highly doubt, because everybody knows who Couponing for a Cause is. So anyway, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Definitely stick around. I do have a couple of walkthroughs that I want to make sure you guys check out. So if you guys stick around, a few videos will be popping out on the screen right now. So have a great day, have a great evening, and as always, don't forget to do the 99.